Hello, my friends. Once again, greetings from Disty Travel Guide, your all-inclusive global travel guide. If you're a new visitor, don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on our intriguing travel stuff. This will ensure that you don't miss out on any of our exciting travel information. Welcome from the Maldives, a tropical haven made up of more than 1,000 coral islands dispersed over the Indian Ocean. Come join us as we discover the 7 most enticing islands that reflect elegance and peace of soul. Is land of Veligandu, a haven for honeymooners and love holidays is Veligandu Island. Savor the opulence of private beach dining, vibrant coral reef snorkeling, and overwater villas teeming with marine life. Island Mafushi. Island is a place of stunning natural beauty and vibrant cultural life. Experience the vibrant marketplaces, immerse yourself in the traditional way of life in the Maldives, and go on exhilarating activities like snorkeling, diving, and dolphin watching. Island of Biadhu. Travelers who care for the planet should not miss Biadhu Island. Unwind on quiet beaches, take in the breathtaking, unadulterated beauty of the natural world, and explore the fascinating undersea world of brilliant coral gardens and rare marine life. Island of Barrows. Barrows Island embodies beauty and elegance. Enjoy opulent lodging, top-notch food choices, and personal service while surrounded by stunning scenery. Island of Fulhadhu. Fulhadhu Island is a beautiful paradise that may be visited. Here, peace and quiet are essential as you explore deserted islands, relax on beautiful beaches, and watch stunning sunsets that tint the sky a vibrant pink and orange. island of Kuramati. Kuramati Island is a playground for indulgence and adventure. With a variety of amenities including restaurants, spas, and water sports places, Kuramati offers to all types of tourists and guarantees an unforgettable trip to paradise. Each visitor may find a piece of paradise in the Maldives with its pure natural beauty and luxurious hotels. Come, lose yourself in the charm of these beautiful islands and make lasting impressions.